Hi friends, welcome to Abhianvi tutorials. Today in this video we'll see how to share Excel file or any other file using the Google Drive for desktop app. So let us install the app in our laptop. Type Google Drive, download. Then once you click this, you will get the download option for the Drive for desktop. Click this and download it. So I have already downloaded this. So here is the exe file. So let us install the Google Drive for setup. So it will ask username and password. So an application shortcut to your desktop. Yeah. So install it. So Google Drive successfully installed. Okay guys. So close this and see here in taskbar it is there. Okay. Google Drive setup.exe. So let's refresh it. So here it is there in our Google Drive here recently added. Okay, so let's open this. So you will get my drive automatically in the your quick access in your folders. Okay, so this my drive is nothing but your Google Drive. Okay guys, so whatever is there in Google Drive you will get all files here in this my drive. So it is added to your folders, and in my drive you will get all these whatever all files are there in my drive you will get in this Google Drive. Okay, let us see. This is my drive. I logged in using my ashokkumaranmula@gmail.com. So using this ID I logged into the Google Drive. So it is showing all files in my drive. Whatever is there they will be replicated in your laptop. Okay, and synced. Okay, whatever files are there they will be synced in this laptop to your G drive files. Okay, for example let us change one file and see. Okay, so that you will come to know how they are changing. Okay, so let's take any file and let's take this. Okay, let's say generating build I am opening. Let's take I write my name here so that it will be updated in the drive. Okay guys, I saved it and let's go to drive, refresh it. Okay, so generating build recently I opened this, so let's open this and see whether changes come here. See Ashok Kumar Anmula. Okay, Ashok Anmula added, so it has come here. Like that it will sync to your G drive, Google Drive files with your laptop. Okay guys, so for example somebody shared a file with you. Let's say somebody shared, let's say I have another account. This is Abhianvi tutorials. Okay, from here I will share one file and let us see how to edit that file in our other Gmail account Ashok Kumar Anmula. For example this one I am sharing now. Okay, Ashok Kumar Anmula. send it. Okay guys, so I shared the file. Let us see, we get notification here in this Gmail. Okay, so this is my notification that Abhi Anvi Tutorials is shared a file with me. Okay, this file. Okay, okay, let's go to open. But you can't edit here, right? Like Excel file, you can't edit anything here. Okay, for example, there are some macros are there, you can't run macros in this sheet. Okay, that's why you have to open this file in the your Google Drive in your laptop. Okay guys, let's close this. Okay, so we want normal Excel to edit the file, so close this and let's go to inbox, my drive, and shared with me. Yeah, this is shared now. Okay, okay, shared with me files, this is there. So let's open this, add a shortcut to the drive, so that it will add a shortcut to your drive in the your laptop. Okay, so I am adding a shortcut in my drive so that it will be replicated in our laptop G drive. Okay, so I'm adding a shortcut here, outer computers, added a shortcut. Okay, now go to my laptop and G drive, this is the G drive, Google Drive, and here my drive, refresh it. Okay, then go to date modified, right? Then you will get that file here. Okay guys, then what happens, you can open this and you can edit here whatever shared by other guy. You can open that file in your laptop and you can edit like normal Excel. Any macros are there, you can run those macros also using this G drive in your laptop. Okay, so right now I am editing this file. Let's open this. It's taking time to open. Yeah, it's open. So in sales right now I will add one more item here, like 777, something like. Okay, we'll write again some item like mouse. Okay, so here we'll add quantity and here some number, sales, how many sales. Okay, and save it. So this will be edited in the drive. Okay, let's go to drive and see. Okay, refresh it. Okay guys, let's open this file and see whether those changes have come here. Okay, in the drive we'll see. Yeah, this has come now. Here see, 777 mouse 459876 I added. So it is modifiable. Okay, you can modify the file in the Google Drive in your laptop. Okay, for example, somebody shares the file. Once the file has come, you can't work like a normal Excel in this Google Drive, right? Once you open Google Drive shared file, you can't edit like normal file. Then what we have to do, we have to right click and add shortcut to drive. Once you added shortcut, then you will get into the G drive here. Okay, here we will get in the G drive, right? This orders file, then you can edit like a normal Excel file. Okay, and you can see the all edits also using the manage versions. Okay, if you see the manage versions, then see whatever all here from beginning to end what is happening in this file. You can see who was edited and all. You can see first Abhi Anvi tutorial sent the file, then Ashok Anmula has edited this file. Like this you can change you can see the changes, who are all worked on that, what time and all. Okay, so this is very useful. Using the Google Drive for desktop, you can create a replication of Google Drive in your laptop, and you can share the files, and you can receive the files and edit in the laptop. Also from the Google Drive here also, from here also you can share the files. Okay, like a normal drive. From the laptop folder also you can share a file. Okay, share with Google Drive. Okay guys, so you can give the name here and you can share it. Okay, so you can do it from Google Drive, or you can do it from the folder, from the laptop My Drive folder. Okay guys, hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.